Hello everyone, and welcome back to our weekly tools channel. Are you in the market for a high-quality diagnostic scanner but not sure which one to choose? Today, we're putting two top contenders head-to-head.
Lightweight, and it's booted up by the time I get to the car. Personally, I prefer this attached cable for regular service. There's no keeping track of the wireless VCI, it's just one less step. Power it up, plug it in, go. It's small enough to sit right up on the dashboard and not be in the way. So what's the first thing you do with a lot of vehicles? Pre and post scan, right? The MX900 does it, and it links to your Autel cloud account, so all data and reports can be immediately shared with shop personnel. Okay, let me show you some of this firsthand. I'm connected to the diagnostic port, key on, and AutoVin technology identifies the vehicle. Okay, then you get a screen here to confirm the vehicle specs. Confirm the specs. As it's doing the pre-scan, you can see all the modules that it's taking a look at. Now here you also have the option of taking any pictures as well if you want to attach them to the pre-scan. After the pre-scan, you can see any control units with faults. If you want to look at them, you can go straight to the control unit from here by using this arrow. And that's valuable to me because it saves me a lot of time. And if you do get into some diagnostics, the MX900 is no slouch. You've got data and active tests, and let me show you something I like with the live data. Here we're just looking at a text number, but using the drop-down arrow, depending on the parameter you're looking at, you can display the information as an analog gauge. You can display it as a waveform graph. Or you can display it as a digital gauge. And check this out, in the waveform graph mode, you get a whole other set of options. You can set the min-max values for the y-axis right here. You can change the scale values, edit the waveform colors, and go to full screen if you like. Here's waveform colors, full screen, lots of great options. Okay, let me back out here and I want to show you something else. From a service standpoint, you can jump right into common things. It's like electronic parking brake, battery management or steering angle sensor service, or window door and sunroof reset. Even brake bleeding, transmission adaptation, or relative compression testing. In short, the MX900 knows its way around a vehicle. Lightweight, loaded with functions, it's easy to see why it's my go-to scan tool. And the MX900 is AutoAuth certified and therefore compatible with newer vehicles offered by Stellantis, Nissan, and Mercedes-Benz with security gateway modules.